Hi Sam. Yeah, how are you? I'm good. I'm good. So, are you ready with your system? Let us create Git. Okay. Let's let us configure the Git today. Yeah, just EC2 instance is more than enough. Last class we have seen about just we discussed about the architecture. You can say simply so how we have to configure the Git and what are the what are the components are there inside the Git. Okay, and there is two different like developers, the different teams we have. So how we have to connect using GitHub, right? So we discussed all about this. So now what we will do is we'll configure today. So how we have to install Git, how we have to use Git, how we have to create all these things. Local work directory, what is work directory, how to add that, what is index, branch, local repository, etc., etc., etc. So we'll see all these using by commands. Yeah,
So
access.
yeah, that's what I got. So now, yes, uh, now I'm there.
Hmm, that's great. Okay, you can share your screen now. Yeah, that's good. I can see. Yeah, so let's connect with the instance. Yeah, yeah, take normal. Anything is fine. No problem. Take default VPC, all default. So we are not going to touch anything related to AWS. So take all default. Keep, yeah, that's all. Yeah, you allowed, right? HTTP. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. We'll check in inbound rules. Not a big deal, right? No problem. Just try to connect with your instance, I mean console. Once after, yeah, there is connect. Just directly connect. SSH client. Yeah, connect with your terminal. No problem. No problem, man. No problem. Yeah, yeah, got it. No problem. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. Okay. Can you remove that white color space? Something I could see only small space. That's not good for you and me because if you watch it again, then your terminal looks like very small. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. This is enough, I guess. Can you make it little big font? Control plus plus. Just zoom it. Better. Enough, enough, enough. Yeah. So now what we have to do is we need to upgrade first to upgrade operating system. Okay. So can you go back first? Go to sudo su iPhone. Yeah. Now upgrade it. Upgrade in the sense sudo m update. Just update it. M update hyphen y. No, sir. No, it's not required. Y-U-M. M means we knew it already. Yeah. Update space hyphen y. No, 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 no. Sam, don't. Sam, once you enter, you can't go back. Or Windows keys will not work. You said something like, yeah, that's okay, that's okay. Fine, fine. Dependencies resolved, nothing to do. It is updated already. Okay, so now we need to install the Git first. Okay, to install the Git, a small command is there. Yum install hyphen y. Yum install hyphen y git. Enter. That's great. Not every time. This is just we are installing. We don't have Git in your machine currently, right? Because your machine is very new one. You don't have any Git installation yet. So that's why I'm installing the Git. And not every time. This is the first time and this is last time. Okay. So once you configure the Git only, on top of that you can able to run on Git related commands. Correct? Right. So next, what you will do is that's fine. Can you check with the version Git hyphen version? Yeah, this is your version means you successfully installed Git. So what we will do is first I don't know you have a GitHub or not. Let's create GitHub also. Go to Google. Do you have already GitHub account? Uh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Do try to recover. Just click GitHub. That's it. Just write here GitHub. Yeah, enter. So this is kind of repository. So where you keep the code here, anything. Okay. It's a kind of storage you can say, Git related storage. So every day you go office, right? Office is a kind of Git console you can say, Git tool. So every day after completion of your work, where you come? You come to house, right? Your house. So this GitHub is a kind of your house. So you keep your things once you come back to home. So you keep your things at home, right? You'll stay at home. That's kind of yeah, yeah, yeah. Link, yeah. You'll get OTP. Check it and verify it. Yeah, this is your repository. Okay. So now what we will do is we need to configure Git, Git identity. Okay, we need to configure it. So means using your email ID, okay, using your name, we have to configure, which means we need to connect with this. I'll show you. You have already, you have seen that right picture previously. So I will share you that picture too. Where is my WhatsApp? Sam. No, 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 I'm just sharing with your WhatsApp to for understanding you. Okay, through my phone. Okay, and I just captured and sending you. If you want, I can share. Not a big deal. So here also it is already open. Yeah, can you see? Can you see my screen? See this thing, whatever Git, whatever it is there, GitHub, you just made it ready, correct? And whatever EC2 instance, that instance you can say this border, that EC2 instance got ready, okay? And also you installed Git. Remaining things we did not work directory means it is a console. Inside EC2 instance, all these are inside the EC2 instance. You already have a console, right? That console we made it ready. So whatever you are seeing, that console is, you can consider this as a work directory. Okay, that work directory I'll show you physically. You can consider this as a EC2 instance, this border. On top of that, we just need to configure remaining things. First, we did not configure yet. Whatever the commands which I am going to letting you know, those commands that will be established connection between this GitHub and this. Okay, but we did not configure yet. We did not initiate the Git. We are going to do it soon. Okay, before that we have already made it ready, right? So yeah, you can share your screen now. So I also shared that picture with you. So for better understanding, right? 1 second. Yeah, fine. So now can you type this command git config. So for you understand, I just want you to confirm that we don't have anything yet ready. Okay, git config hyphen space global. No space, no space. After hyphen no space. Yeah, global. After global space hyphen list. Copy this command and keep in your notepad. Enter. Right. So next, yeah. So after installing Git, you need to configure your Git settings, and the most important setting are your username and email address. Okay, just enter. So what it is showing? Unable to read config file, root dot git config is not there. So we did not set yet. So what we have to do is, what we will do, git config. Okay, git config hyphen global. So whatever you type, just edit that. Remove the hyphen list. Here you need to use user dot name. Your user, okay. User dot name. Okay. Name. Yeah. User dot name, and in double quotes you can keep your name after space. No, no, no. In double quotes I said. After, you need to mention some space after name. Yeah, that's it. Enter. No, 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 no. You can't clicks. You can't use clicks. You need to use only tabs. Okay, you are copying. We're done, right? So next, yeah, yeah, you done it. You done right. Okay, you have done it. Next, you need to add email ID. Same, just instead of name, you just make it email. Instead of name, just make it email. So in the top, in double quotes, you need to give your email ID. Enter. Okay. So next, so now you need to verify it whether it is successfully done or not, correct? So you can verify install and configuration by checking Git version. So Git version we have already done. So already whatever the list are there that you already seen, right? Git config hyphen global hyphen list is there, right? Just copy that and paste there. Then now you can see that whether you properly configured or not. That is a no, no, not that, not that. Hyphen list. Yeah, this is the one, right? You successfully configured properly. Earlier, what you got? You got fatal error. Fatal error, which means you did not configure. So you read this, right? Unable to read config file, which means not configured. The directory is not available. Okay. So next, so that's what we have done successfully. Next, what we have to do is, mm, right. Next, what we have to do is, let's do one thing. Go to GitHub. Go to GitHub. Create repository. There is a green color button which is new. Yeah, that's the one. Click on that. Yeah, you can give the repository name. Yeah, you can keep any name, my project one, something like that, or AWS project one, something like that. Ah, okay, you can keep. Yeah. Hmm. So can you scroll down a bit? So there is a concept, yeah, you can consider here. If you want to keep your description, anything you want to meaningfully, you want to keep anything statement, you can keep here statement. That's optional. Okay, next configuration, you see this, choose visibility. Choose visibility means if you keep a public, whatever you keep here, everybody can able to see that. If you share your GitHub repository link, okay, that's what, right? So now you are going to keep in a public. So now you create a repository. Just create a. That's okay. That's okay. It doesn't make any sense. No problem. If you want, you can use it. If you want to keep any steps or something, you can use it as like a file. Ah, yeah, yeah. Keep here. Keep here. So now you see, scroll down bit by bit. It will show that. So what are the steps you need to do? Everything it will guide. You see this? Git in it. Okay. Git add remove dot md is not required. Okay. Remaining whatever we had discussed earlier, that all the commands you can see. Git commit m first commit something like that. Git branch, git remote add, git push. All these are there, right? So we have discussed all those things, right? So let's do one thing. Yeah, yeah. One second, one second. So initially, what we will do is so we need to configure Git. Okay, okay. So which means we need to initiate. First, we Git init is there, right? First command. Okay. First, copy that command Git init, which means Git initiation. Init means initiation to initialize a new repository. To initialize a new repository with your local machine. Okay, exactly. Your local repository. So this is a central repository which you created is central repository. Now you are going to integrate with the local repository. For that, these are all steps. Yeah, yeah. EC2 means on top of EC2, Git is there, right? Yeah, yeah. So go to you can write here initialize new repository. The command is git init. New repository. Yeah, ZE. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, Sam. It's okay. That's not a big deal. You need to understand, right? Initialize a new repository. No problem, Sam. It's okay. INITIALIZE. New repository. That's it. Okay. So go to terminal now. Type git in it. Go to terminal. Type git in it. Where is your terminal? That is the one. Yeah. Git in it. Enter. Yeah, you read this. What is this? Try to read. Master means master branch is getting actually by default. You understood? So as we discussed earlier, actually the default branch is master branch. Okay. So the name while when you initialize the branch, so you will get by default master. Master is actually outdated, old one. So recently Git is actually we are using main branch. Okay. So we can rename it also later. So that's what. So it is telling that. So you need to config global in it something branch name. Okay, that we will do it. This command, whatever the command is there, right? Git to config hyphen global init dot default branch and name. Okay. That command is also with you. So can you open your notepad that I'll show you. Yeah, this is the one. Can you see? Git remote add and your link. That's what, right? Next, so what we have to do is next, can you go back to the console? Okay, so now can you click ls hyphen a? Yeah, can you see here dot get gray with blue color? Yes, just leave about dot config and all. So this dot get whatever it is that this is called as local repository. Okay, whatever your code is there, whatever you do it, the changes, everything will be stored in this. This is very important file. It should not be deleted. That's the reason it is in a hidden file. So this is hidden file. Dot means hidden. Okay. So now is this space work directory got created. Clear? Okay. Here everything is actually this will be doing all the things. Everything. So this whatever the do changes, commits, etc., etc., etc. If you want to restart reset also, this will be doing actually. Exactly, exactly. Local computer, if you are using local machine, that will be in local computer. And if you are using a virtual machine, that will be in a EC2 instance. So that is the reason we can call it as a local repository. Clear? Okay. Now what we will do is yeah, um, let's do one thing. 1 second. Let's create one file, some files, git one or something files, touch file one, touch file, touch stamp. You can keep some create some files. So today's files, file 1, file 2, file 3. Okay, touch directory 1, dir 1, dir mkdir 1, touch file 1. Enter ls. Right, you got a file, right? You know these commands, right? You remember, right? Yeah. So mkdir means you are going to create a directories. Okay, mkdir directory 1, space space dir 1. Yeah, file 1 is just normal file. Directory 1 means you can keep a number of files in that. It's a kind of folder. Directory 1 means folder. File 1 means it's a kind of Word document, something like that. Yeah, we can keep. That's not a big deal. That's not our focus point. Okay. So just keeping we are just creating here for just for verification purpose. I'm keeping here some files here because we need to push it, right? So that's all for that purpose. Okay. So now so let's do one thing. We just kept some files here. Okay. Now what you will do is git diff. Can you can you git diff? Yeah, git diff enter. No, we didn't do anything. That's why it is not showing anything. That's okay. Let's do one thing. Yeah. First, we have created, we initiated, and after that, can you check with the command git branch, git branch, branch, branch. Enter. Yeah, you're right. Just I'm checking. Okay. Um, 1 second. Yeah, fine. So for that, yeah, we have to actually basically this is whatever master branch is there, right? That master branch is old branch. Okay. So what we need to do is uh, we need to change it as a main. Okay. So can you go to GitHub once? I'll show you. So scroll down. You see last 1 minute, 1 minute, Sam. Last one. When you see last one, you see git push hyphen u origin main, right? Main. By default, it is taking main, right? So, but thing is, whenever we created actually master we got master is not there with us. So that's the reason what we need to do is can you see the command git to branch hyphen capital M main? Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah, which means you are changing your branch name as main. That means what that command will do is if you type git branch hyphen capital M and main if you write, so that makes your old branch name makes as a you're just renaming your branch name. That's it. Copy it. Yeah, master to main. That's it. Directly you are just making it as a main. Copy that and paste there. Git branch hyphen capital M and main. Or that git branch hyphen capital M main. Yeah, that is there already. That's what I'm telling. By seeing there itself, I'm telling you. Yeah, paste here, enter. Yeah, can you check git branch? Yeah, it is still not showing. That's okay. Let's do one thing. We need to, why it is not showing? We need to connect actually first. Can you go back to the same place, GitHub again? So we need to connect with the origin. Origin means this place. Okay. GitHub to local repository. How when we will get establishment happens. So when you use this command git remote add origin, that command below the main, copy that. Yeah, copy that along with your project repository. Copy that your project repository along with that. We are connecting it to remote to the origin. Origin means your GitHub. Remote means your mission. So we are connecting both missions at a time. So go to your EC2 instance, paste here, enter. Yes, successfully taken. Nothing, we did not get any errors, which means it got succeeded. Okay. Now what can you type ls? Can you type ls? So one second, Sam. No problem. We'll do that. We'll do that. However, we'll do that. No, not hyphen EA, just ls. Ls means whatever you file you created, that files you will see. Hyphen A means hidden files will show. I don't want hidden files here. So in file one, vi file one, vi vi file one, file one, enter. You write here something. Hello, welcome to Sam World. This is my first git line one. Keep like that. You are writing something, but I could not say anything anywhere. This is terminal issue. No problem at all. This is terminal issue only. So zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. So yes, more. Yeah, little scroll down. Insert I. It is clearly stating that insert means you need to enter I. What happened? No, no, no. Scroll up bit. There is actually scroll bar is there. Can you take it up? Scroll up. Scroll up. Yes, you will see that. Okay. Go back. Backspace. Backspace. Take delete button also. Click on delete button. Yes. Now you just write something. Hello. Welcome to welcome to Git World or Sam World. Anything. This is my first line. This is the first line. You can write in next shift enter. Yeah. This is the first line. So instead of this text, developers will keep the code here. Okay. So save it. How to save it, Sam? You know that. Escape colon WQ. Enter. Yeah, very good. Cat file one. Cat file one. Yeah, that's good. So there is some content inside, which means you can consider this as a code, some two lines code. Okay. So now it got ready. Now what we have to do is we need to add whatever the content you keep first according to our picture, according to our architecture diagram. So what we need to do is whenever you keep something, some files in your local machine, if you want to move that into index area, you need to add git add command, git add dot, git add, git add, git add. I'll tell you here one thing. If you keep only file one, the file one only moves. If you keep dot, all file will goes into your repository. You understood? So dot means all file. We have only two files. That's why I'm keeping here dot. But if you want to move only specific file, you can keep only file one. Clear? Okay. You can keep dot now. Dot enter. Dot. Yeah, you got it right. Nothing. You successfully moved that file into staging area. Okay, right? You have wait. You have that right? Architecture diagram. Yeah. So according to that, so whenever we use git add, okay, git add command, so it will move into staging area. Okay. So that is actually structure. Okay. Yeah, which means it is ready to go. It is ready to go to the local repository. Okay, once if it is go to local repository, for example, something happened. So if you want to retrieve it, you can retrieve it from here. After adding, if you have done some mistake, if you want to take it back, you can take it back when here itself. I'm telling. After commit, you can't take it back. That's why. So that's the reason they kept a one concept called index. Okay. So which means after adding, it will go to index. Okay. Uh, yeah, your files in your workspace, work directory, not in local repository. Can you open your WhatsApp or that picture which I shared with you, or else can I share your? Can I share my screen? Yeah. Okay, let me share. Hello, Vasu. Mm-hmm. ఇప్పుడు వన్ సెకండ్ చాలా బిజీ బా చాలా బిజీ. ఎస్ ఎస్ ఎస్. ఓకే, రావచ్చు బట్ ఇద్దరం బిజీగా ఉన్నాం బా. నేను వన్ సెకండ్, వన్ సెకండ్ శామ్, వన్ సెకండ్ శామ్, వన్ సెకండ్. యా, సారీ, ఐ జస్ట్ గాట్ a call. That's okay. So let me share my screen. Okay, can you see this? Can you see here? See, can you see here? This, yeah, see, this is, this is, you can consider this as a EC2 instance. Okay. On top of EC2 instances, you kept some files here. Okay. Your local files, whatever your local files are, the local in the sense in EC2 instance, what are the files you kept? You wrote something here. You created some kind of code here. That code files are there in with you. Okay. That files you are using git add command. You are sending it to the index area. Okay, this is background happens. Okay, I imagined that and just I made a one diagram for you to understand. Okay, so background, you can't see this area, index area. It will move to index area. Once after moving this index area, if you commit it, it will go to local repository. Whenever you commit it, you can't retrieve your this file back. But whenever you after adding this, you realized that something got wrong. So you want to get take it back, then we will take back that whatever file is there, you can take it back, or if you want to delete it, you can delete it. You understood? Okay. Yeah, GitHub is central repository. Local repository means that dot git. Okay. So whenever you commit it, it will go to dot git. From there, whenever you push it, it will go to GitHub. Yeah, clear. So the dot git, it is still not taken to dot git because you did not commit. Okay, dot git is actually, you can consider it as a local repository. Okay, but whatever your workspace is there, whatever your terminal is there, that is actually out of the local repository. It is in your mission. Currently, it is in your mission, not in local repository. It is your machine. Whenever you add it, it will go to staging area. So whenever you commit it, then only it will go to local repository. Whenever you go to local repository, that already connection established with this GitHub and local repository using that command called git remote add something, git add remote something, and your repository URL that you have done already. Okay. So after this, next step would be git push. Whenever you push it, it automatically goes into GitHub. This will happen. You understood? So once after add, you have done this already. Git add done. Now your file is here. You need to commit now. Do it. Okay. 1 second, Sam. That one person is outside the door. 1 second. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, now what is the command? Git commit hyphen m, and you need to keep some meaningful message. Okay, keep type it git commit git commit hyphen space hyphen m not yeah this is nothing wrong actually because you are you're in starting stage only, right? That is the reason. You can make it m means in our case m means small m means small m, so nothing wrong, Sam. I don't take it as a wrong. I don't. Yeah. So M means message, Sam. Okay. Copying. Okay. Okay. Yeah. No need to copy, Sam. Already it is everything is with you. You see that the above dotted lines. You see that command. Okay. I understood. Because you have done some. Yeah. Capital M. Can you go back to the your file again? So I will show you. No. 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 Small M only. Yeah. Scroll up bit. Scroll up. Yeah, more. Yeah, more. Little more. Yeah, little more. See here. See here. Uh, Below the read.md file, there is a command called commit. Git commit hyphen m. Okay. Yeah. First message. First to commit means that is your message. Whatever you want to keep, that you can keep in that message. Okay. Copy that command. Git commit. Commit means you are sending. Yeah, exactly. That is the meaning. Paste here. Okay. You can keep a different meaningful message. This is my first commit. You can write like this. This is my this is my this is my first commit. First commit. Enter. Yeah, copy this. That's okay. Same. You have already this. Oh my goodness. What happened? Paste. Enter. Yeah. Enter. Sam, you did something. What is that? Can you show me? 1 second. Dot also. Why it is going dot also? 1 second, man. This is my first commit, that's fine, but all file one dot files are also gone. Oh my goodness. 1 second, Sam. You keep here like this. 1 second. This dot ignore file won't accept that git repository. Okay. So 1 second. Oh. So you do one thing, Sam. Can you take reset back? Git reset. Git reset. Reset, not restart. Yeah. That's it. Enter. Yeah, git diff. 1 second, git diff. Yeah, that's what I'm trying actually. 1 second. Yes. Actually, this dot file should not get actually. So can you type git diffo hyphen catched CACHED catched CACHED catched. Nothing is there. Okay. Git diffo main. Git diffo main. MAIN main. Enter. That's okay. What you will do is now, Sam, git commit again. Do commit again. Git commit. 1 second, Sam, sir, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Can you type a git branch? Git the branch. 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 Enter. This is in main only. That's great. Now it is showing right branch. Okay. Um, that's fine. Now you are in main branch only. That's not a big deal. But it should show the changes actually. Git diff head HEAD capital. Git diff HEAD capital means header lines it will show if it is there. Enter. It's okay. Nothing. That's fine. Let us do one thing. Git commit again. Git commit hyphen m. 1 second. 1 second. Sam. Not commit. Not commit. You do it once. Git add. We are not git add. It is replacing actually. Git add file one. Only file one. Yeah. Enter. Now git commit hyphen m. Same commit. Whatever you done earlier, just copy and paste here. Git commit hyphen m, and you keep here meaningful name here. I am sending one file. I am sending file one, something like that. I am sending file one to the repository, something like that. It's okay, no problem. I habituated. Not a big deal. Yeah, get. I am sending. It's okay. It's okay. Fine. No problem. Yeah, that these files we should not send because these are all hidden files, right? Okay, there is a rule for GitHub. Okay, dot files will not accept by Git. So you will get a warning message or your GitHub repository will be terminated. Okay, there is a rule for GitHub. You should not keep any highly secured information. Okay, something like passwords, something like URLs will not accept. Okay, that will detect. It is highly advanced concept. This one. Okay, GitHub knows that whatever you send dot related files or if anything related to your passwords and all, if you keep something name called password also it will detect. Okay, so sensitive information it will reject, it won't take. So that's why I was uh-huh. Hang means maybe internet issue, I think so. Can you do one thing, take a duplicate of that, take a duplicate of that. Yeah, it will show it same similar one. Yeah, go to sudosu. Yeah, now git commit hyphen m hyphen m in up in double quotes. No, you need to maintain some space, mention some space between that quote. Yeah, keep here. We are sending the first file of project, something like that. First file of our project, git project. Yeah, project. Enter. Okay, enter. Yeah, 1 second, 1 second. On branch main untracked files dot, it includes that we will committed one thing, nothing added commit but untracked files present. See, this is a problem. So we have used dot bash history, right? Can you copy this command? Can you copy this error? It is not allowing. Dot bash history still it is there. So this is not allowing us. Copy that. So we need to fix it. This one. We need to fix this. Copy. Go to ChatGPT. Yeah, paste here. Enter. Okay. Scroll down. Can you click? Can you type git status? Not here. Not here. In terminal. Git status. Yeah, this is the one only. Git log. Yeah, committed. It is committed. Okay. It is committed. So that is the reason even if you restart it also it doesn't show. It doesn't take it. Still it is showing bash history, right? Dot bash history. This dot bash history is a command, is whatever it is their file. That file is actually came from your local repository to your sorry, your local machine to your local repository. These are all sensitive informations. Okay, this won't accept untracked file. This one. So git to show. Scroll down. Git to show. Uh, One second here. Yeah. So this is the thing happened. What are the steps happened in the sense? These file commits happen. This is how you understood. Git show means whatever we have done, it will show. Okay. These are all commands. These are all commands. I'm trying to tell you these commands. Okay. Now, so for example, if you type go, can you scroll down a bit? This terminal is really irritating. Q. Enter Q. That's it. Right. Now git whatever commit ID is there, right? You have seen that, right? Git log. That commit ID you have seen, right? Copy that commit ID. So scroll up. Then only you can see, right? Not that other one. Other scroller is there, right? Yes, that is the one. Terminal. Yeah, commit. This is commit ID. Whenever you commit, whenever you commit, every commit there will be one commit ID will be assigned. Okay. So can you copy that commit ID? Yeah. Copy. Not that. Not that. Only from F2. That only ID. Yeah. Yeah. Copy. If you copy seven digits, that's fine. Not entire. Now 1 minute. 1 minute. No, not wait, Sam. That commit IDs you don't need to save because anytime if you commit it, it automatically changes the commit IDs. That's not needed to save. So now you type here git show git show control C git show space enter space and paste here. enter, enter. So whatever the commits you done, that related commit, all the file information you will get. That's what I'm trying to show. Okay, whatever the commit related to commit, all the information, all the files will get. Here unnecessary files added. That is the reason it is showing like clumsy. Okay. So now go to ChatGPT now. So yeah, these steps we have done already. Can you scroll bit by bit? Yeah, scroll down. Yeah, scroll down. Scroll down. Yeah, can you copy this command, Sam? Git remove hyphen catch dot best history. So which means we are removing it. Copy this. Yeah, paste there in terminal. So in this case, actually, we have done mistake, right? So if you do mistakes like this, you can use this kind of command. Yeah, go to terminal. Go to terminal and paste that command. Paste enter. What is it? Copy this and paste there. Select using mouse. Yeah, get paste here. Enter. Okay, see, this is the problem. So whenever you keep anything sensitive information related to dot files, means which means hidden files, hidden related files, you need to use git dot git ignore. Okay, that is actually advanced concept. Actually, this is not here. This time is not right time to discuss about it. But thing is, unexpectedly something happened. That is the reason we need to discuss here. Okay, actually this topic is very far, but still we are discussing here means because we did mistake. Okay, that dot related files we should not commit. Okay, but we are actually committing that. That is the reason it is showing dot related dot ignore files. So what we need to do is, um, so we need to do this. Okay, echo dot bash history, something like this. So if you we need to follow these steps, so then only it will accept push. Yeah, all things, all these things. Else you can also 1 minute, Sam. Can you go back to the terminal again? So without doing this, let us try to push. Okay, git push. Try without anything doing this. Let us try to push. Git push origin main. Git push origin, not origin. Origin. It's origin. Git push origin main. Main. This main is man's branch, right? Enter. No, no hyphens. Enter. Your GitHub email ID you entered, right? So earlier. Go back. Yeah, email ID which you have GitHub account. Dot enter and this password. So you do one thing. Go to GitHub now. Go to GitHub. No, no, no. Wait, Sam. Just follow me. Just follow me. Go to GitHub. Go to GitHub. Yeah. Can you take a duplicate? So if you want to, you can copy this and you can keep somewhere. Better you have all the commands here. Okay, later I'm saying. So now what you will do is, can you click on that cat icon? No, no, no. Here right side you can see something like blue color circle. No, 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 Sam, please don't go back. So yeah, that is on. Click on. Yeah, exactly. That is the one. Yeah, last. Go to last. Settings will be there. Settings, somewhere you find settings. Yeah, settings. Click on that. Go to left side. Left side. Scroll down. No, 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 not here. Scroll down completely. Last you will find developer settings. Yeah, that is the one. No, 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 no. It's gone left side only. Left side. You see left side only. Scroll. Yeah, yeah. You can see developer setting left side. Yeah, that is the one. Yes, yes. Click on that. Okay. So now you have to create a personal token because you forgot a password. Okay. Click on that personal token, personal access token. Yeah. Take a classic token classic. Click on that. Generate token. Generate new token classic. Okay. So uh, keep a name. You can keep 90 days or something, whatever you want. Expiration. No, 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 not that, not that. That is not that. Expiry date I'm telling. So you can keep 90 days or custom, whatever. Right? Scroll down bit by bit. I just check mark the parent boxes. I'm telling. Repo, if you click on that parent box, automatically it will click everything. Yeah, click on that parent box. Yes, do like that all. Yeah, you are allowing. That means do it. Admin delete also. Scroll down. Public key. Come down. So you just need to allow them. Okay, notifications, user, delete repo, which means delete repo means you will get access to delete your repository. Okay, next admin related permissions, audit logs, logs related, you did not check that, copilot related, right network related, project means your repository. Okay, scroll down and you add this admin related again, read write permissions. Okay, now generate token, copy the token, you will get you keep that git project one, git project one. Yeah, yeah, now scroll down, last generate token, copy that immediately, ghp something. It will, you can't see it back. This is first time and last time you can see this. If you miss it again, you need to create or you will lose the key. Okay, so you can keep any lines in between lines, right? Git access token, that is the name. Get access token. Yeah, yeah. Copy the token id, copy that again. Yeah, paste here. Oh yeah, yeah. Did you right click or not? Sam, you can't see the dimes, that's why I'm saying you can't see it. You already pasted right with using right click. If you do mistake it will fail. You didn't do anything till now, right? You can take it, you do one thing, just for 1 second. For a while you just keep you just press backspace for a while. 1 second. 1 second, stop. Yeah, backspace. Hold it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, enough. Yeah, now right click and paste. Enter. Yeah. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. It is failed means your password might get wrong. Again, try to git push. 1 second. 1 second, Sam. I got emergency message. Please. Yeah. Um. Yeah. 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 Do one thing. Can you copy that? Just to copy that. Copy that command. Just git push. No. 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 Not that one. This one in between. Git push hyphen hyphen stream. Setup stream. That one. Yes. 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 Copy that. Yeah. Paste here. Paste. Paste. Enter. Yeah. Again. That your email ID. GitHub email ID. I'm asking. No. No. Any other. If you do mistake anywhere, that will fail. Enter. Are you telling me or what? I don't understand, Sam. I've been using this Git since 5 years. You have to use your email ID only. And here you need to paste your token. If you keep extra space also, it will fail. It will fail. Extra space you are copying. Copy this. Again, you are copying extra space. Yeah, take right click and paste here. Enter. Yeah, you are done this. Okay. So now go to repository. Go to GitHub. Earlier also without upstream also it will go, Sam, but you copied earlier also with the space. So if you keep small space also it will fail. There is no doubt about it. That will also will work. You do it. Try it now with the same command. So yeah, 1 second before going to that, just go to GitHub repository. The not that one, that one, that one. So you are going to copy this later, right? So if you exit, you can't get it back. So again, click on that cat icon. Yes. So what is your project name? Yeah, open that. Yeah, you got all files, right? So how much long? Can you click on that commit? This is my first commit. Your commit ID is there. Your commit ID is also is there, right? F2C1B30 starting numbers. Commit ID number. Okay. Your commit message is this is my first commit. While you are sending commit, while you are committing, you just mentioned this message, right? This is my first commit, correct? Yeah, and also click on that one commit, one commit. Click on that one commit, that commit, one commit. I'm saying one commit. There is one commit below the green color code button. Yeah, click on that. You see, click on that again. This is my first commit. Click on that. Yeah, scroll down. So you will see all the changes, whatever the files you got, how many files, what are the files, what are the content in that file, everything you can see. Example, in this case, instead of these files, if there is a code, it will show your code. Okay, can you dismiss that? Customize highlights. Yeah, yeah. Scroll down more, more and more. So last you come last, file one will also you can see. We actually dealt with the file one. Unnecessarily we got extra files. That's okay. Sometimes be careful while you are pushing the files. Scroll down. Last, last, complete lost. So this is actually file. This is our actual file. File one. You see, hello, welcome to Git world. This is the first line. Okay. Can you see that? File one. That is actually file which we are trying to push into your repository. Correct. So can you click on that? Can you click on that? Yes, click on that. Yes, plus yeah, click it right here something. Hi, this is second line. This is second line of code. Second line of code from the GitHub repository. GitHub repository. Okay, commit it. Okay, scroll down. Yeah, scroll. Yeah, committed, right? Yeah, committed. 1 minute. So now go to there. Go up, scroll up completely. Okay. So now just click on that my project, whatever it is there on top of that headline, my Git project. So there is a cat icon right beside that. So if you click on that, you will go home page of your project repository. Okay, something like this. Okay. So it is nothing is there here actually. These are normal files, but something you keep you did not keep any passwords, right? For example, Terraform is there. Terraform you will keep variables. Okay, in that variable you will keep EC2 instance related access key and token key that won't accept. I have personally faced. That's why I'm telling. Whatever my experience I had, that I'm trying to tell you. Okay. So these are all normal files. Maybe it is accessed, but not all the sensitive files will not accept by Git. You will get definitely warning email for sure about it. Okay. So even if still you keep like that, your account will be suspended. Okay. So this is how you can able to transfer your files from local repository to GitHub repository. GitHub means central repository. So I hope you understood at least somewhat. I think we have to do more things. We can't complete all at one class. Not comment, not comment. It's commit. COMMENT. Where you found that spelling? So this is up to you, right? If you want to write, you can write anything here. Okay, this is actually coding part. This is not commit. This is different. You are going to keep here something related to code. Okay, code files. If you want to do the changes, if you want to add from GitHub also, you can do it from here itself. So this part we have completely done, right? Till here, right? Yeah, same. So you understood, right? At least somehow we are going to deal with many things. So then gradually, day by day, you can understand very much clear. I hope so. I am going to clear you again. That is not comment, it's commit. Can you clear that? Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Thi- This is not comment. In real time case, you will keep here in your code. This is not for comment. You will keep your code here. Yeah, yeah, leave you that. Oh, you are talking about that. Okay, understood. That's okay. Yeah, yeah. Comment in the sense, for suppose you have added something extra new line. Okay, you want to convey this to someone. Okay, and again, if they want to pull back, okay, you written something here in repository, correct? Again, you need to pull it back. Okay, so we'll do one thing. Let's take your terminal back. Go back to your terminal. Now try to write here git pull. Not got. It's git pull. Same hyphen u origin main, something like that. Git pull. One second. Git pull origin, not like that. Uh, Not like that. 1 second. Remove that hyphen. I'll tell you. Git pull origin main. Hyphen u also will be there. That we will deal later. That's okay. Origin main. That's enter. Remove it. Hyphen. Enter. So you see this. It is up to date. Okay, everything is up to date. Okay, that's fine. So which means whatever the new things are there, that will be added. Let's see. Cat file one. Enter. No space. Okay. So we'll do one thing. Can you go back to the GitHub again? Go back to the GitHub. Yeah. Can you go back to the top of the line? Not here. Top of the line. Scroll up completely. So you do here one thing. Um, can you click on my project again? Repository, on top of repository. Yes, that's good job. So now what you will do is try to add a file. There is a file, right? Add file. Yes, yes, yes. Exactly. You are doing correct. Create a new file. You can write here. Yeah, wait. There is actually blue color. You can see the repository name with the blue color, right? So on that box, you can write something. Name of your file. So you can keep here file 2. File 2. You can keep here file 2. GitHub file 2. In GitHub file 2. 1 second, Sam. That file you may confuse. For better meaningful name, you can keep GitHub file 2. Hyphen GitHub file 2. Something like that. Anything. GitHub file 2. GitHub hyphen. Yeah. So now you write something here in this file. Yeah, right here. Hi, this is a first this is a first code of line. First line of code, yeah, from the GitHub repository. From the from the GitHub repository. Okay, GitHub repo. That's it. Okay, now commit changes. Do commit. Yes, yes. Commit. Yeah. Here write something. So this is actually for pulling purpose. You can write here for pulling purpose. That's enough. The statement for pulling purpose. That's enough. Commit change. Commit change. That's it. We don't have any extra branches. That's why we are directly pulling it to. We are directly pushing it to main branch. Okay. So now you've done this your side. Now go back to the your terminal. Yeah. Yes. Now pull. Now pull. Same command. Yeah. So I'll tell you there are different ways to do it. I'm telling you. Okay. So now pull it. So the same command git pull origin main. Enter. Please enter first. So you got it. See this? Can you 1 second Sam, please. You will do it later that one. Open the terminal. See this? Can you try to read this? File 2, GitHub file 2. This is actually file name. Inside that one file changed. Okay. Create mode something ID called 100644 GitHub file 2. Come on. Come on. Now what you have to do is ls. What is that? GitHub file 2 you got. Cat GitHub file 2. GitHub file 2. Right? Something is there. Cat GitHub file 2. Hyphen. Not there. Not. No, no, no. It's hyphen after hub. Not underscore. No, file name was wrong. Ah, yeah, yeah. 1 second. This is yeah. So this is the content, which means in our better understanding, you need to understand that this is a code of line from others. So let me try to explain the scenario. Just I'm going to open my. I'm going to share my screen. See. So you try to see here. Can you see? See. Can you see here? So we have done all the process. Whatever that you have written the code that you added into your index. Okay. After that you commit the changes. After that you pushed into your local repository. Okay. So we don't have this setup. What I have done is I directly do the changes on top of this GitHub. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Yes. Yeah, manually I have created a file and I've kept some extra content in that one folder, one file. Okay. What I have done is after keeping here, whenever if you are somewhere else, if you are other developer, I'm a developer too, you are a developer one. So you post your files. I have checked it, everything fine. Okay, no, no, Sam, actually I'm also adding a one more file, which means I added one more file too, right? So I don't have any setup this. That is why I used your GitHub repository in this case. Okay. In future what I will do is I will set up all these things and I'll push into your repository. Clear? So then you can able to see that with whatever new files you got, extra new files you got, then able to see that new files you pulled it, right? I'll tell you. So in this case what happened, Okay, so I sent you one file, understood? In this case, I pushed it actually. In this case, you try to understand, imagine that I pushed one file into this repository extra u file, which is called as project to file. Okay, that project to file, if you want to get in inside your local repository, you need to push, sorry, you need to pull. So you have pulled, clear? So you have pulled it. That is the reason you got it inside your local repository. You pulled it. Whatever the file is there, just you pulled it. Then only you could able to see that file in your local repository. Clear? Okay. As I don't have all this setup, that is the reason I only created the one file inside this GitHub repo. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any change. I'm sorry. It doesn't make any difference. Okay. Though I pushed it or not. Okay, if I keep a manual file inside this GitHub repository, that also do the same work, and also if I push into this repository also will do the same work. Clear? So I have created one extra file, new file in this your repository. Then I told you that Sam, I have shared with you one file. That file code is you need to receive, which means you need to pull that. So after pulling only you could able to see that file, right? That is how this process is happening, like this part you have seen, you did not see this part, we will do it later, next class. Understood? So by doing practice only you can able to understand all these things. Yeah, Sam? Yeah, exactly. But whatever we have done earlier, those things will be done by only one time. Okay, so that is for configuration purpose. You as a DevOps engineer, you must know the how to configure the Git. That is the reason we have done initial one time setup. Okay, after that you'll work with that push and pull, different cases. Yeah, exactly, correct. Yeah, we will see more commands. There are a lot of commands related to Git. So if you want to change I have, for example, I have 3 or 4 branches. I want to change the branch. What you have to do, tell me? We did not see that. Okay, so if I want to change that uh, git to main, git hyphen main, git hyphen capital M main, so that won't works. That is for you rename your branch. Okay, if you want to change your branch, I have 5 branches. I want to switch from one branch to other branch, you'll have a command, check out. Okay, there are a lot of commands like this. We will see those commands. Okay, maximum storage of, so I think I did not face any problem so far. Uh, Maybe even we sent 5,000 lines of code, but this question, no, we didn't face any this kind of questions, and means that kind of issue. It is, you can say, like local repository. Technically, Git can handle very large scale of files. Okay, even GBs also it will handle, but I don't have that much exact figure. I don't know exact figure. Maybe 1 GB also it can share. It can share. Maybe 1 GB to 100 GB. I think so. But we didn't use 100 GBs and all. Okay. So my experience with one project, one code was related to Python, that is having it containing around 5,000 lines of code. We sent that code to GitHub. Okay, but Git didn't have, I didn't face this kind of any kind of restrictions if you send these many lines of code. Maybe there will be a restriction, but I didn't face that. So maybe I thought maybe in GBs also you can share. You just go through it, go through Google and check it. Okay, so we didn't face any kind of restrictions. If you have this much MB, there is a restriction like that. Okay. uh, Till now we have sent many files, lot many files, but there is no any kind of storage restrictions till now. Yeah. Fine, Sam. Thanks for joining. I hope you understood at least little bit. Understood, right? Great. Fine, Sam. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.